Now, this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to quickly mention a business model that you may be interested in, and it's basically a quick way to make money on Fiverr. This may give you some ideas. Some people are doing this, and what I'm talking about is arbitrage. So when it comes to Fiverr, you could sell services to clients, and instead of you doing the work, you're going to pay someone else from a different freelance site, or possibly maybe even on Fiverr, to do that service for you. So for example, you could go to another freelance site, find somebody to do logo designs for $1, and then you could offer gigs on Fiverr for logo creation for $5. So basically you're making a profit of $4 less fees. Another example is SEO. You could provide an SEO service. You could go to an SEO freelance site such as SEOclerks.com, and they have a lot of cheap services here related to SEO, and you could provide similar services on Fiverr for a much higher price. So for example, the first thing I see here is rank first on Google with massive authority, edgy backlinks, and this is $15. You could offer a similar service for $20 or $25 on Fiverr, and when you get orders, you would just go ahead and place an order from this freelancer. So this is something for you to think about. I imagine the type of person that would be interested in this business model is someone that doesn't have the time to provide services on Fiverr and would like a quick way to provide services to clients. What you could also do is ask some of these freelancers if they could give you a discount, because some of them are willing to give a 2-for-1 deal, and if you work with them over a long period of time, you're going to get better deals. Now here are some of the top gigs on Fiverr: SEO services, mobile app development, website building, video marketing, logo designs. And for logo designs, you don't really need special skills to do this. You just need the right software. There's also flyers and brochures. You could create that just using Adobe Illustrator. Business cards and stationery, Photoshop editing, infographics design. For this, you can use free tools such as Canva. Just go to canva.com. You could also provide services in which you offer to do vector tracing, and this only requires a few minutes of your time, and you just need Adobe Illustrator for this. Another top gig is domain research, resumes and cover letters. I know of somebody who's actually making a good living just writing resumes and cover letters on Fiverr. And to start off with, you could just use templates. Another top gig is proofreading and editing, articles and blog posts, voiceovers, singers and songwriters, converting files. This is easy to do. There are a lot of free tools available for you to convert files such as Word into PDF. Whiteboard and animated explainer videos. And there's a lot of tools in the market such as Explaindio to create whiteboard videos. Intros and outros for videos, logo animation. And for this, you just need Adobe After Effects. There's lyric and music videos. Maybe you could offer to become a virtual assistant for somebody, or you could do data entry. And last but not least, you could offer to put someone's message or a company's message on anywhere they would like, such as your body, or your car, a sign, a t-shirt, etc. I hope you've enjoyed the training, and I also hope that you're ready to put in some hard work, because when you first start out on Fiverr, it's not going to be easy. You're going to have to be persistent. I believe persistence is the key on Fiverr, because when you first start out on Fiverr, you're basically starting out from the bottom, and you can't just start charging $100 or more for your services. You first have to build a reputation and a great feedback score, and also build yourself up as a seller. So you're going to have to start with low price gigs from $5 to $10 or more, and expect to work long hours. There's going to be days where you're going to be working more than 15 hours. To build your reputation and your feedback score, strive for great customer service. And even though you're starting out with low price gigs, you can still make good money with the upsell. So try to provide as many upsells as you can.